KKKs. Speak gang, ho.
Static on the track, bro.
Catching these plays while I'm pitching the J's. I'm just praying to God I don't catch me a case. Fuck on that bitch and I guess she can stay, but no key to the place and no key to the safe. Sorry little baby, I lied to your face. Yeah, I'm fucking on you, but just not at my place. Pull up impatient, so who in the race? And I'm sipping on mud, you just not at my pace. I'm not sharing my weed, I'm not sharing my drink. Nothing for free, Randy, fuck is you thinking? Swerving and driving, not using a blinker. Dismissing that bitch if she don't use a thinker. Go deep in that water and dropping my anchor. The heat in the kitchen, my niggas is big. Cause we smoke out in public like fucking citation. We all on probation, still trapping and slanging. Get it, I got it, cause waiting, no option. The clip is too big, it can't fit in the pocket. Product you coming in from other continents, foreign, that bitch got the plug on the sponsorship. With TV Johnny, my mouth like a diamond strip. All up in temple like I'm on a scholarship. Rolling through Philly with Bree, we the hottest shit. Plus we do dope shit, we might Amy Wine your bitch. All in this strip club like it was my promise shit. Passing out bills in this bitch like a congressman. Hang with the clan, bitch, you know I'm a congressman. Stay to the gang, all I bang, I'm so confident. Time is oh, you be losing with Spartans. Blaze auto, restart the trap when he park it. Get loose off them pills and we acting retarded. Them junkies keep calling cause they wanna barter. Serving in Maryland, place in Georgia. Got Reynolds OT if it's more than 4 quarters.